is Abayomi Johnson Okikiola Odeniro, the Oluomo Agbekoya worldwide. That's a great question. The Agbekoya happens to be our forefather organization, that is to say the first human right in Nigeria. The first human right in Nigeria that was formed in the year 1938, which our father, great Chief Obafemi Awolowo, was part of it, Afe Babalola and the rest of them. We have Agbekoya Farmers and Society. Firstly, their major role is to protect lives and properties of Nigerians and of the Oduduwa in general, the Yorubas. And also, they are, like I said earlier, they are the first human rights organization that has been on ground ever and still remain up to date. So their major role is to create employment to our people and to let our people remember that we have our own our own origin, our foundation, which is farming. So a farming aspect, when we talk of Agbekoya, they are there 100%. So, and in every area they've been contributing to the sources of our great nation Nigeria, in terms of security, in terms of farming, in terms of human rights, in terms of everything that happens to make the Nigeria a great country. So that is their major key roles. In fact, simply I would like to just the Yoruba are the main foundation of this organization, and this organization are also the backbone of Yoruba. So I will urge our people to try all the possible best to give their support to this forefather organization for the growth of our society, for the growth of our kingdom, for the growth of Yoruba nation as we claim, so that at least our children home and in diaspora will be able to say, okay, no, we fall back on something. If you remember, we have a series of organizations that are out there. In terms of OPU, PCA, there are some Agbekoya movement, there are this, that. But the main foundation of all of them is the Agbekoya we're talking about, which was formed since 1938 and still is in existence up to date. The president now of the Agbekoya worldwide is our father, Kabiyesi Aremu Are Kamorudeen Okikiola. And any one that happens to be on the position of Ooni Arole Oduwa happens to be the great grand patron of this organization. So I will urge our people home and abroad to please showcase themselves, come up with their interests, to unite and to support this great organization, so that we can be able to move forward and we can be able to defend our territory. My first greeting goes to the Olodumare, ọba àjíkẹ́ kábíyèsí ọlọ́run ọba tó ní kí àwa kó wà lẹ́ni. I would like to appreciate God for giving us the grace to be among the living soul, because we can see, we can experience what is happening across the globe concerning this global pandemic. But we that we are alive today is not by our knowledge or by our faithfulness, but it's by the grace of Almighty. So we give Him all the grace. And my gratitude also goes to His Imperial Majesty Ọba Babatunde Enitan Adeyeye Ogunwusi the Ọjájá II, Àrólé Oòduà Olórí Aládé Gbogbo, the Ọọ̀ni of Ifẹ̀, who happens to be the great grand patron of